Most large format 3D printers on the market overpromise and underdeliver when you actually print. Buy wrong and you waste a fortune and valuable time. Have you ever tried to scale up a project only to fight warping, bed adhesion, or ghosting? Relax, because this video will help you find the best options without the usual headaches. Today, I'm going to be going over the best large format 3D printer that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M. From the outset, this large format printer targets enthusiasts and small teams seeking reliable auto-leveling, rapid prototyping, and consistent first layers. The all-metal Core XY frame feels rigid, with reinforced joints and a durable finish that inspires confidence during continuous operation and heavy workloads. Its cubic footprint remains compact enough for workshop benches while delivering a substantial vertical clearance and stable vibration dampening at higher speeds. The Adventurer 5M delivers a 220 by 220 by 220 mm build area for sizable prototypes. One-click automatic printing minimizes setup, delivering immediate bed leveling and a high likelihood of repeatable first layers across multiple materials. With a claimed 12 times travel speed and intense acceleration, the Adventurer 5M aggressively shortens iteration cycles while preserving dimensional accuracy. A Core XY system enables dual nozzles and rapid preheats, enabling 600 mm per second travel and high-speed deposition without excessive shake. Compared with entry-level competitors like the Anycubic Mega Zero, the Adventurer 5M excels in bed leveling automation and consistent first layers. The pros include solid build quality, fast auto-leveling, broad material compatibility, and a user-friendly interface that lowers the learning curve. The cons include a relatively higher price compared to simpler printers and a larger footprint that may challenge compact workspace setups. During real-world testing, the FlashMaker app provided real-time status updates and remote monitoring, enhancing confidence during long prints. Regular maintenance, including nozzle and bed cleaning, sustains performance, while the included FAQ section offers structured troubleshooting steps for common issues. Additionally, its dual-sided PEI platform plus quick nozzle changes and a practical remote interface enable flexible production flows and rapid iteration cycles. Overall, the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M stands out for speed, automation, and solid build quality, making it a compelling choice for ambitious projects. At number 4, we have the Creality K2 Plus. For hobbyists and small studios, the Creality K2 Plus signals a bold entry into high-color printing with automation. The massive 350mm cube build chamber and sturdy chassis provide a stable foundation. It offers a 350mm cube build volume that can accommodate larger prototypes without partitioning. The machine promises remarkable speed, leveraging aggressive acceleration and precision control to reduce print times on sizable projects. Turbocharged by a step servo motor system, it fuels rapid movement with steady accuracy during long prints. With the 4 CFS units linked together, it can deliver 16 color prints and automatically detect filament color and type. The system maintains chamber temperatures up to 60 degrees Celsius, enabling ASA and PPA with warp resistance and high-strength outcomes. Dual AI cameras monitor the chamber and tool head, enabling flow rate optimization and automatic adjustments for consistent results. 2 independently driven Z-axes allow auto bed leveling and true compensation across a wide build surface. In real-world testing, color batching remained reliable and prints achieved clean layer adhesion at scale, reflecting thoughtful engineering. The chassis design emphasizes accessibility for maintenance, with front-facing panels and modular hot ends for quick swaps. Compared to Creality K2 Pro, the K2 Plus offers a larger build volume and multicolor printing capability. The pros include massive build volume, advanced multicolor printing, and dual AI cameras. The cons include large footprint and complex setup for multicolor features. At number 3, we have the Anycubic Kobra X, a versatile large format printer built for families, schools, and professionals. First impressions emphasize a sturdy chassis, thoughtful cable routing, and a footprint that speaks to serious users without overwhelming a classroom or studio. The enclosure adopts a premium brushed finish with reinforced corners, delivering confident handling during setup and daily use in busy maker spaces. The design integrates a touchscreen interface for intuitive controls and a sturdy Z-axis assembly that minimizes layer wobble during high-speed runs. The Kobra X ships with 4-color ready configuration and promises expansion up to 19 colors using additional ACE units. LeviQ bed leveling is paired with 49-point calibration, delivering near-flawless first layers straight from unboxing and rapid startup. Smart AI monitoring via the app provides spaghetti detection and foreign object alerts, while the top-mounted spool holder frees desk space. The manufacturer touts a top speed of 600 mm per second, along with intelligent pathing that trims travel time and filament waste. The system handles mixed filaments like PLA, PETG, TPU, PVA, and SA, with nozzle temperatures reaching 300 degrees Celsius for flexible printing. With a substantial print volume of 260 by 260 by 260 mm, it invites prototypes for education and professional use. LeviQ 3.0 auto bed leveling and 49-point calibration streamline setup and maintain precision over time. Connectivity options include dual-band Wi-Fi and wired LAN, enabling remote control, live status updates, and slicer integration through the Anycubic app. The print area measures 260 by 260 by 260 mm, enabling sizable projects and multi-part assemblies. In a head-to-head with the Elegoo Neptune 3 Max, the Kobra X delivers faster top speeds and advanced multicolor printing. The pros include easy setup, quiet operation, and robust build. The cons include higher price and bulkier footprint. At number 2, we have the Anycubic Kobra 3 Max. From hobbyists to professional makers, this printer projects an ambitious personality that invites bold, large format experiments without overwhelming newcomers. The chassis combines a sturdy metal frame with a sealed enclosure feel, delivering stable prints while maintaining a surprisingly generous internal clearance. Engineered with Kobra OS firmware, SG15 bearings, and a dual-axis core design, it achieves high speed and decisive acceleration. Amazing multicolor printing with Ace Pro integration, allowing 4 colors and up to 8 colors when pairing 2 Ace Pro units. Intelligent bed leveling ensures a consistent first layer, reducing failed prints across the jumbo build area during long runs. In real-world testing, the system maintains stable prints at moderate speeds, while extreme accelerations demand careful tuning and reliable filament choices. Intelligent AI-based recognition monitors ongoing prints for anomalies and can automatically pause or alert the user when spaghetti appears. Each Anycubic Kobra 3 Max includes a 1-year warranty and 24/7 support, with some parts warranted for months. The machine occupies a substantial footprint while remaining comparatively manageable for a shop setup, given a spacious workbench and proper shelving. Jumbo build area measures 420 by 420 by 500 mm, enabling large-scale prototypes. Compared to the standard Kobra 3, the 3 Max offers a much larger build area and faster high-speed printing. The pros include massive build volume, 8-color printing, and AI monitoring. The cons include premium price and large footprint. At number 1, we have the Anycubic Kobra S1. The Kobra S1 model signals a purpose built for makers seeking rapid, vibrant multicolor prints without sacrificing reliability. Its fully enclosed chamber promotes safe operation and stable temperatures, which reduces warping during ABS or other heat-sensitive material projects. The frame blends a premium aluminum extrusion with a sturdy chassis that minimizes vibration during high-speed printing and large layer transitions. User-friendly enhancements include full auto calibration, auto level, and quick nozzle swaps designed to cut setup time for newcomers and veterans alike. Advanced multicolor capability comes from 2 Ace Pro units, allowing up to 8 color streams, while algorithmic waste reduction keeps material costs manageable. Smart Ecosystem integrates built-in drying parameters for various materials, dramatically reducing moisture-related failures and improving long multi-day print reliability. The fully enclosed chamber maintains stable print temperatures and reduces odor, improving safety for home setups and small workshop environments. Compared to the Prusa i3 MK3S, the Kobra S1 offers faster color printing, but a larger footprint. The pros include reliable multicolor printing, seamless one-touch auto leveling, and a sturdy, safe, fully enclosed chamber. The cons include a premium price, a learning curve for newcomers, and a fairly large footprint that could constrain compact studios. In real-world tests, prints demonstrated consistent layer adhesion, reliable extrusion, and minimal stringing across several long-duration runs. The automatic calibration and flow rate calibration actively reduce guesswork, enabling novice operators to achieve repeatable prints with PLA, ABS, and flexible materials. The quick swap nozzle design promises rapid nozzle changes in seconds, helping teams iterate tool paths and materials without downtime. Overall, the Anycubic Kobra S1 positions itself as a flagship large-format printer for creative teams prioritizing color, speed, and automation.